You have now seen that integrating gender equality and social inclusion isn't just about good intentions. It's about redesigning legal frameworks, tenure systems, and governance structures so they serve everyone equitably. But how do you take that insight and turn it into action? How do you analyze tenure challenges and identify the most relevant and inclusive interventions for your context? Up next, you will explore the Land Tenure and Property Rights Matrix, LTPR, a practical tool to help you diagnose problems and plan solutions that reflect both technical needs and social realities.